And for the materials, I'm going to use 100% acrylic DK yarn with about 5 different colors, of which each color is having about 100 grams, 4mm crochet hook, and that's it. Going to have a total of 3 corners instead of 4. So now I'm only going to show you how to crochet the half granny squares. And to begin, just make a magic ring. Insert the hook inside the magic ring, yarn over, chain 1, and make 3 double crochet back into the same magic ring. Chain 2 to create your first corner and make more 3 double crochet back into the same magic ring. Chain 2 again to create your second corner and make more 3 double crochet back into the same magic ring. Chain 2 again to create your third corner and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch you have started with to join your work. Chain 1 to close your work, and you can cut out the yarn because to move to round 2 you are going to use a different yarn color. To start with round 2, make a slip knot, and you're going to work in one of the corner, actually in one of those chain 2 spaces that you have made on your previous round. So just insert the hook like that, yarn over, pull through, chain 1 to fully attach the yarn, then make 3 double crochet back into that same space. Double crochet into the next space, chain 2, 3 double crochet back into the same space to create your second corner, or actually to fully secure your second corner. Make 3 double crochet into the next corner, chain 2, 3 double crochet back into it again before we move to the first corner that you have started with, which is the third corner. Now make 3 double crochet into the first corner that you have started with, which is the third corner, chain 2, then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch you have started with to join your work, chain 1, and you can cut off the yarn because to move to the third round you're going to use again a different yarn color. To start with round 3, make a slip knot, and you're going to start in one of the corner as well. So just insert the hook in one of the corner, chain 1 to fully attach the yarn, then make 3 double crochet back into the same space. Make 3 double crochet into the next space, but because it's not a corner, so which means you're only going to make 3 double crochet into it without chaining 2 or without repeating again, making that other set of 3 double crochet. Then make 3 double crochet into the next space, which is the corner. In that case, chain 2, make 3 double crochet back into the same space. And you have just to repeat that pattern all the way until the end. Only in corners where you have to make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet back into it, but in those spaces between your corners you're only going to make 3 double crochet into them without chaining 2. So just continue doing that all the way until the end of this round. So remember, at the end you're going to end into that first corner that you started with, so which means you're going to make 3 double crochet into that first corner that you started with, chain 2, then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet stitch that you started with, chain 1, and you can cut off the end, because to move to the 4th round, which is going to be the last round in that case, you are just going to repeat the same thing you've done for round 3. And for half granny squares, in this case I have changed my mind, so I have only ended up making only 2 half ones, of which they are only going to be going on the front panels. For sleeves, I decided to take 1 row off because my sleeves were ending up way too long, but if you want your sleeves to be long, then just go ahead making also again more extra half granny squares, but in my case I'm only going to make a total of 2 half squares. So as you can see, this is a half granny square which is having only 3 corners.